been rejected by average to below average women. I just laugh. I don't even take it personal. Below average women reject below average men, but feel they required, they want to, but feel that they're entitled to a 10, which is crazy.
Yeah, what's your type of girls that you go for that have been rejecting you?
As in,
Like looks, like what type? Like what type of, you know, the type of girls you like. Like what type of girls do you like?
oh, I would say, are you talking about body wise or like on a scale of 1 to 10?
Bruv, everything. Black, white, short, tall, thick, thin. Like,
All right,
motherfucker,
all
come
right.
on, man.
All right, bro. All right, all right, all right, all right. It doesn't matter. I would just say mainly black girls. I would say thick. I'm more on the thick side.
Okay.
They could be average. They could be
Okay,
average.
let me ask you
They-
this. Are they the type of black girls that probably get a lot of guys hollering at them every single day of their life?
Yeah, basically yes.
What do you think sets you apart from the rest of the guys that holler at them?
Well, I'm not the thug type. I've never had that.
I'm not
I
asking
never
you what you're
struggled.
not, bro. Bro, I'm not asking you what you're not. I asked you a
Okay,
straight question. What sets you apart from all the other guys that holler at this chick every day?
good question. I'll say what sets me apart is I'm more of a laid back kind of guy. I'm not I'm not a wild boy. I'm just the type of guy that likes to play games and read books when I from time to time. That's what sets me apart from them.
Hold on, bro. What did you just say? You
I
said
said
you said what sets you apart is that you read books and play games from time to time.
yes.
Why the fuck is the girl gonna care about that?
I didn't say she have to care about it.
But I'm asking you, what sets you apart that the girl? Okay, like, let me put it like this: what in your mind about you makes you think that the girl should make the girl feel like picking you over them other guys? And you're saying because you read books and play games.
Those are my hobbies. I'm talking about my hobbies.
But what are you not understanding about what I'm asking you, bro? What, in your opinion, about you sets you apart from other guys to the point where the chicks that you like should pick you over them?
Well, if I see a girl that me and her aren't compatible, I'm just not gonna waste my time talking to her. If I see she's a hood chick, I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm just gonna go for the girls that I feel are compatible with me.
That's not what I asked you, bro. That's not what. Do you get that? That's not what I asked you.
You were asking me what sets me apart.
Yeah, I'm not asking you who you're gonna approach and who you're not gonna approach, bro. That's not what I asked you.
Okay.
So you haven't.
All
Okay.
right. I would say what's I would say what sets me apart is I don't know. I'm more of a
See, this is, bro. I ain't trying to be horrible to you or anything, yeah. But you see this thing
okay.
here. This is a question every guy has to ask themselves. Because think about it, yeah. If you are a guy who you like attractive women that more than likely they get hollered at by girls all the time, yeah. There has to be something
Yeah.
that you feel you confident in yourself that sets you apart or makes you at least top tier amongst the guys that are probably hollering at her in real life, on Instagram, on Snapchat, wherever, in the supermarket. There's some you should have something going for you, bro. Like because you
You
read books and play video games, that's nothing, bro. What does that do for her? Like what? Because you gotta understand it. Like you gotta think of it like this. This is like a business, bro. This is a business transaction, bro. Yeah.
okay?
Like the girl's gonna have to see some value from being with you. Unless you're some
No.
obviously extremely attractive dude that like obviously she's gonna want your genetic material, yeah. If you're just if you're not like some super Tyrone, then you're gonna have to have something going for you to at least put you over the edge, or at least have like super game or something. Like my game is tight. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, but you didn't even
I
say that.
mean,
You just said
all
because I
right.
read books
Let
and
me
play
ask you this.
games.
Okay. So you mean you're asking the question like, what makes me unique from other guys? Is that what you're asking?
What sets you apart? What puts you top? What makes you top? Not necessarily unique, but what sets you in the top tier? What puts you in the top tier? Why do you feel that she should pick you?
Well, I'm com- uh, I don't want. I don't know. This is gonna sound too basic. I'm confident in myself. I'm persistent. Um, I'll just say. I mean, I like to. My social skills are okay. I'm not. My social skills aren't that, but they're okay.
Right? I would say this year, like the power concept. You've probably heard me talk about this before, bro.
I have.
Financial, physical, mental, social, bruv. That's what you need to focus on, bruv. Because, in my opinion, like, bro, if you focus on those four things in like specifically, it will set you apart from most guys. Because most guys don't have their ducks in a row. Most guys don't look at the best they can be. Most guys have not worked on their own business and stuff like that. Most guys are not intelligent. Most guys don't really have good social skills. That's a clear thing. That will set you
I
apart,
mean,
bro.
yeah, I understand that. I said I'm not social skills and all that, but they're all right.
Yeah, bro, that's just one thing, bro. I'm talking about all of it, bro.
Yes, I know.
Alright, you know, innit? Like, I hear that, bro.